They call me the Red Sleeping Giant. Sleeping, but always focused to unleash my superpowers. When danger is near, I wake up and go all the way. Connected by Profit sprinkler components, the water flows like blood through my veins, ready to save lives. Fire does not stand a chance. Profit produces and supplies components for fire sprinkler and HVAC installations. Putting our customers first, we provide our service in more than 7 languages. On our user-friendly web shop, we offer a wide range of grooved fittings, couplings, and accessories combined with a growing range of valves and hoses. Our company consists of administrative offices, warehouses, quality control departments at our different production sites, and of course, our own R&D engineering department. Right here, we focus on both the development and design of our Profit-branded products. We guarantee exceptional quality performance on all our products. Our team of engineers continuously performs tests on the components in our laboratory, like hydraulic testing, bending tests, material structure examination, corrosion resistance tests, and rubber properties testing. Our well-managed warehouse inventory at our multiple locations in Europe results in lower product costs. With our largest stock, we strive for fast deliveries directly to your construction site. Our quality control team ensures that no product or component leaves the production site if it does not meet the strictest European quality standards. You can always rely on Profit for your fire safety and HVAC installation components.